Frida Soul EP is coming.
What's going on, everybody? So there have been some updates made to the Red E market structure, and I want to show you guys how to update it. Number one, you could just refresh your browser, but also you'll see a purple wheel right here on your screen. If you're looking at this, I'm going to just kind of draw it out for you real quick. Okay, let's move this out the way. So you see a little purple circle. Okay, what I want you to do is either click on it. You can click on it, actually go to the indicator itself, hit the three dots, just like you're going to change the settings, and hit update this script. Once you update it, it will go to the most recent version, and you're good from that point, okay? So, all right, so to reduce the size of the Red E market structure, you just open the settings or double-click the indicator. You're going to come down to the bottom and find the Red E market structure or main dashboard. It has multiple sizes. You can go from tiny all the way to huge. So if you want it super tiny, just hit tiny, and it's going to make it tiny. But for old people like me, normal, large is good enough. Now, if you're on the cell phone, I recommend you do normal or small, okay? So one thing that I do adjust in the Red E market structure is the multi-time frame trend for the time frames. So if you open the indicator, you come down to the multi-time frame dashboard where it says settings, and then you change time frame 1 to 10 minute, time frame 2 to 78 minute, and time frame 3 I like at 4 hours. Okay. Now, if you don't know how to add the 78-minute time frame, what you do is up here where you have your time frames that are favorited, there's a chart interval. You hit the drop down, you hit add custom interval, and then here you could type 78 and add the 78-minute time frame. So I was asked a question about the candles changing colors. So if the candle is white, that means the candle's neutral. If the candle goes green, that means it's a weak buy signal. If the candle goes baby blue, it's a buy signal. If the candle goes royal blue, it's a strong buy signal. On the flip side, when the candle is yellow, it's considered a weak sell signal. When the candle is a moderate to like a regular a regular sell signal, it's going to turn orange, as you can see here. And when it's a strong sell, it will turn red. So I want to share this with you guys. This is a very powerful indicator. So if you go to the shorter time frames, that means your candles are moving so much faster. So if you open the settings, click the low time frame mode, which is less than 5 minutes. So that way you don't have any target prices, take profits, or anything overlap.